Yo, dog, I see you at the party last night and it shot in a dog.
It's cool, man. You don't know they are for the girl left.
Cho. You don't know. Yo, see your baby mother come there.
Mikey! Come here a second now, please. Mikey, want me? 3 weeks now, me not hear nothing from you, you know. You're not taking your responsibility, you know, Mikey.
Yo, I'm calling you get something for do.
How about coming to see your child? Mikey, you say you're a big man now, and you want your parents treat you like big man. So what? Eh? Oh, you're not in a chat now.
Just go easy, no, man. Not even sure my youth.
Really, Mikey? And that's it gone to know? I swear you loved and respected me the same way I did for you.
Yo, to you, man.
Mikey, you need to stop being a boy and be a man. You need to protect your child. Make him look up to you. If not for me, then do it for your son, now, Mikey.
Just go on where you go, young man. I'm a real man.
Yo, Mikey, when I rate that to the youth. Yo, Bridging, if you be a father to your youth, my youth, don't do like what our father did do, Bridging. Remember when we were kids? I would say we're gonna be a real father to our picnic them. Don't make the same mistake. A real man love, protect, and respect him baby mother and him youth.
Keisha. Yeah, we need to talk.